Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to lock apps in Android device. So guys, if you want to lock the apps in Android device, firstly you have to go to settings here, scroll down and then comes to apps option. Here we have an option of a app lock. Just tap here and then click to turn on. After that, just set the password here and then tap to next. Just tap to not now. And these are all the applications which will lock. But if you don't want to lock YouTube, so you can just select the YouTube, contact, Chrome. Now tap to use app lock. If you want to set the fingerprint also for this, so you can go to setting, but I don't want to set the fingerprint right now, so just tap to cancel. So these are all the applications which are logged now. Now let's see. And as you guys see, the password required for the Facebook. That means this is how we can log the app in any Android device. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.